What is it? What are they?
Mama, this is for you.
Aww. Aww.
It's for a snack.
Okay,
Or maybe it's for me.
let's see what else.
It's for a snack. It's for a snack, Mommy. Look what Kuchai got for me.
What do you say?
Kuchai
Aww.
cap.
Is there anything for Shane?
Oh, Mommy, this is not for me. This is for you.
Okay, dig in.
Wait, no, look at Ivy.
Aww.
I made food.
Yeah.
Mommy, look what they got for you.
Aww. Okay. That would be Amma giving it to me.
Oh, Shane, look what she got for you. Oh, that's so cute. Oh,
Aw.
that's so Actually, Mommy, these are his.
Aww.
Shane, here. That's our pie.
What is it, Shania, that you're holding?
Guess it's something for me. That is so cute.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
Look at Good Joy wait for me.
Aw, what do you say?
Thank you, Clap. That is so pretty.
Aw.
That is so pretty. And look at
Aw, look it. พูดไงลูก
them all, Mommy.
อ๋อ
Look at the game made for me. Look at the game made for me.
กูใช่เด็ด
Good job.
อ๋อ
Good job. Mommy, he got some. They got something for you too.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's awesome.
Mommy, wait. Then where's mine?
The white one.
Oh.
The black one must be for Shane. What else?
Underwear. And there's more. This is so cute. Is it?
Aww.
This is for me. I
Yeah.
have another one, yay! Because the other one was blue and this one's pink.
American Idol is sponsored by Minute Maid Pure
What's
Squeeze.
this?
100% pure squeeze. Never from
Probably
concentrate.
for you.
Minute Maid
It's okay. That has to be mommy's makeup thing.
Squeezed orange juice, never from concentrate. Oranges are a little mad that it tastes exactly like they do, so you do not want to mix them up. Which one were you again? I'm kidding. You don't even look like the. Where are you going?
This scarf is
Honestly,
for
how far
me.
can you run? Minute Maid Pure
This is for
Squeeze.
you, Mommy.
Mm.
The scarf is for.
Pure squeezed light.
Oh,
Put
this is
in,
so cute.
get good out.
What is this for?
I'll help you later. Is that all? That's it?
No.
No, it's calendar. That's it? Okay, pay attention,
No, that's
you guys.
not it. And all the rest is.
Oh, Shane, look at you wearing the slippers.
All the rest is for you.
Okay, you guys. Say ขอบคุณครับอาม่า ขอบคุณ ยกมือไหว้ด้วยลูก Put the hands together and say ขอบคุณครับกุยชัย
ขอบคุณชัยอนามาค่ะ
Shane
ขอบคุณค่ะคุณชัยอนามา
You guys like it?
Yeah.
Like the shoes? Shania, here are your slippers.
Where?
Right here, next to the box. Walk here.
No.
Yeah.
Those are Ben 10.